this video, I'm going to show you how to get promo code deals for Crunch Fitness. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. I'm going to open up any web browser on my mobile device. I'm going to open up Google, and now I'm going to type in promo codes for Crunch Fitness here in the search box. Once I've done that, I'm going to hit enter. And now I'm going to get all these different websites that are offering coupon codes or promo codes. So you got Real Tell Me Not, you got Don't Pay Full, you got all the big third-party sites that offer these promo code deals. For this website, I like using, where is it here? Don'tPayFull.com, 70% off. So I'm going to click on this deal here to enjoy 70% off. And now, as you can see, I'm in Don'tPayFull.com. So if I scroll down, there's more codes I can use here. So you got 70% off subscription plus a free 30-day trial, all these different deals. So activate or click on which one you want to use. These change all the time, by the way. So I'm going to click on the 70% off subscription. And now that's going to redirect me to Crunch Fitness to activate that deal.